Prolong the life and impressive appearance of your floor finish by making vivid, interactive floor finish laminator and maintainer a part of your floor maintenance schedule. A one-step, multi-purpose formula consisting of an interactive blend of cleaners, penetrants, proprietary gloss enhancers, and moisturizers. Use as a mop-on restorer, spray buff, or through an automatic scrubber to add plasticizers to the finish, laminate the surface, and produce a maximum gloss with increased flexibility, durability, and resistance to scuffs, soils, and black heel marks.